Just a year ago, she was struggling financially, living paycheck to paycheck, and feeling overwhelmed by debt. But Sarah made a decision to change her mindset, to believe that abundance was possible. And guess what? Her life transformed. Not only did her finances improve dramatically, but she also found more joy, opportunities, and fulfillment in every area of her life. So, what's the secret? How can you create the kind of abundance that Sarah experienced? The answer lies in understanding that abundance isn't just about money. It's a mindset, a way of being that attracts all the good things life has to offer. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of abundance. We'll explore how your beliefs shape your reality, the power of visualization to attract your desires, and the simple practice of positive thinking that can change everything. If you're ready to unlock the abundance that's waiting for you, then stay tuned. Your journey to a richer, more fulfilling life starts right now. But here's the thing. Most of us have deeply ingrained beliefs about money that are holding us back from experiencing true abundance. These beliefs often operate on a subconscious level, silently sabotaging our efforts to create financial freedom and wealth. Have you ever caught yourself thinking things like, money is scarce, I'll never be rich, or rich people are greedy? These are classic examples of limiting beliefs, and they act like invisible barriers, blocking the flow of abundance into our lives. Our beliefs are incredibly powerful. They shape our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately the reality we experience. If we believe that money is hard to come by, we'll unconsciously make choices that reinforce that belief. We might avoid taking risks, settle for less than we deserve, or even self-sabotage our own success. Think of it this way. Your beliefs are like a filter through which you perceive the world. If your filter is clouded with negativity and scarcity, you'll only see the lack and limitation around you. But if you can clear that filter, you'll start to notice the abundance that's always been there, just waiting for you to recognize it. So, how do we break free from these limiting beliefs and step into a mindset of abundance? The answer lies within you in the vast reservoir of your superconscious mind. This is the part of you that's connected to infinite intelligence, creativity, and abundance. One of the most powerful tools for accessing this superconscious power is visualization. It's more than just daydreaming. It's about creating a vivid mental picture of the life you desire, as if it's already happening. When you visualize your financial goals with clarity and emotion, you send a powerful signal to the universe, and you start to align your thoughts and actions with that vision. But the mind can be a noisy place, filled with doubts and worries. That's where meditation comes in. By quieting the chatter of the mind, meditation allows you to connect with the stillness within, where abundance resides. Regular meditation practice can help you release stress, cultivate inner peace, and open yourself up to the flow of abundance. Positive affirmations are another key tool for rewiring your subconscious mind. These are simple, empowering statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. Affirmations like I am worthy of wealth, money flows to me easily and effortlessly, or I am a magnet for abundance can help to reprogram your subconscious beliefs and create a new reality. Remember, the key is consistency. Just like exercising a muscle, cultivating an abundant mindset takes time and practice. But with dedication and the right tools, you can break free from the chains of limiting beliefs and step into the abundant life you were born to live. One of the biggest challenges to cultivating an abundant mindset is the constant barrage of negative news and information we're exposed to. The media thrives on fear and scarcity, constantly bombarding us with stories of economic downturns, job losses, and financial crises. It's easy to get caught up in this negativity and start to believe that scarcity is the norm. But here's the good news. You have the power to choose what you focus on. By being mindful of your media consumption, you can limit your exposure to negative news and create a more positive environment for yourself. Instead of dwelling on the lack, seek out stories of success, inspiration, and abundance. Surround yourself with people who uplift and empower you. Gratitude is another powerful antidote to scarcity. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your attention away from what you lack and towards the abundance that's already present in your life. Start a gratitude journal, practice daily gratitude affirmations, or simply take a few moments each day to appreciate the good things in your life. Finally, learn to reframe challenges as opportunities. Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, view them as stepping stones on your path to success. Every challenge you overcome is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become more resilient. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and use them as fuel to propel you forward on your journey to abundance. Cultivating an abundant mindset is essential, but it's not enough to simply think abundant thoughts. Your actions need to align with your beliefs in order to manifest abundance in your life. It's about walking the talk, taking inspired action that's in harmony with your vision for a prosperous future. Setting clear, specific goals is crucial. What does abundance look like for you? Define your financial goals, career aspirations, relationships, health, and any other area where you desire more. Once you have a clear picture of what you want, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment or for all the conditions to be just right. Start taking small steps towards your goals, even if it feels uncomfortable or uncertain. Remember, action creates momentum, and momentum breeds results. And most importantly, be persistent. The path to abundance is not always smooth. There will be obstacles, setbacks, and challenges along the way. But don't let them discourage you. Persistence is the key to overcoming any obstacle. Keep your eyes on the prize, stay focused on your goals, and never give up on your dreams. Consider finding a mentor or coach who embodies abundance. They can offer guidance, support, and valuable insights based on their own experiences. A mentor can help you stay motivated, navigate challenges, and accelerate your journey towards abundance. The journey to abundance is a personal one, and it's different for everyone. But the principles we've discussed today, cultivating an abundant mindset, visualization, meditation, affirmations, gratitude, and taking inspired action. These are universal tools that can help anyone create a life of abundance. Remember, abundance is your birthright. You are worthy of wealth, success, and happiness. It's time to shed the limiting beliefs that have held you back and embrace the limitless possibilities that await you. So, what are you in for? Start implementing these strategies today. Visualize your ideal life, affirm your abundance, take bold action, and watch as your dreams manifest into reality. If this video has resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who could benefit from this message. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content like this. Thank you for joining me on this journey to abundance. I believe in you, and I know you have the power to create the life you desire. Until next time, keep shining your light and embracing the abundance that surrounds you.